Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find history apps on Google Play Store. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Play apps, click on it, and after this, in here you just click on the profile icon at the top. And after this, in here you just click on a manage apps and device, and then click on manage. And after this, in here you can see the apps at your phone, or you can see this one. And after this, in here you just click on not installed, click on it, and then in here you can see apps history on your phones. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.